Good morning, everyone. So, we are here to finish the lesson number 3 in the workbook. Okay, I'm sure you are understanding everything because in the online class, I have seen you people, you are very smart and intelligent. So, that gives me the confidence that you are understanding everything nicely. So, here on page 26, we have very small exercises. East is to west, we have to fill up and find the relation between the underlined words. East is to west as night is to east and west are opposites. So night and day as night is to day. Clouds are to sky. What is the relation between clouds and the sky? We find clouds in the sky. As means same as dash is to desert. What do we find in the desert? Sand. So clouds are to sky as sand is to desert. Here is to dash as see is to look. See and look are same, more or less the same meaning words. So what is the other word for hearing? Listen. Here is to listen as see is to look. Dash is to cry as play is to work. Play and work are again opposites. So laugh, cry, opposite for cry will be laugh. Laugh is to cry as play is to work. Laugh. We just had to find the relation between the underlined words. All the answers are there in the worksheets under the assignment section. You will fill up from there. Here it's only understanding. We have to add FUL to these words. Beauty, beautiful. Faith, faithful. Right, rightful means in the right manner. Basket, basketful. Let's see how do we use these words. The king had a few soldiers who were what to him? Who were faithful to him. Who were faithful to him. Shanu has brought a dash of delicious apples from Solan. Solan is a place in Himachal Pradesh. We find it's very famous for delicious apples. So what can we say? Shanu has brought a basket full of delicious apples from Solan. Money was the dash heir of his father's property. Heir means someone who gets father's property or mother's property, one who inherits. So money was the rightful heir of his father's property. The flower means he is the right one, not wrong person to get the property. The flowers in the botanical garden are in the Indian Botanical Garden. Where is it? Botanical Garden, Calcutta में बहुत famous है. You can have otherwise as well on other places. Beautiful. Now, okay. Here's a story. It's a very famous story. I don't know how many of you have already heard about it. It's a very famous one. Sometime when we meet, I'll tell you. Jean Valjean could not get any work. His sister's children were starving. He did not want them to die. So he stole a loaf of bread. Seeing his sister's children, no? Small children were there. They were very hungry, starving, as I had told you earlier also. Very hungry. He didn't want them to die of hunger. So what he did, he went to a shop and he stole one loaf of bread. But he was caught. He was sent to the prison for 15 years. And when he came out of the prison, punish karte na when you do something wrong. He had done something wrong. He had stolen. So he was sent to a prison. But when he came out, he was very angry. A small loaf of bread he stole, and for 15 long years he was sent to prison. When he came out of the prison, he was very angry. He entered a priest's house. Priests, those who perform all the work in the church. They wear white robe. So he entered a priest's home. Priest was a very nice person. He gave him food and talked politely, lovingly to him. He talked very politely and lovingly. He was not annoyed with the thief. He was not feeling bad about the person who had just come out of the prison and he had entered his house. So, and when he was leaving, Jeanwell leaving the house, the priest gave him some silver coins and even said, "My son." When somebody calls you my son, you feel happy, no? You feel nice. Same way, Jeanwell also felt very happy. And that goodness, that kindness of Jeanwell, just like Mr. Jane's goodness, touched him deeply, and he was no longer angry with the world. He realized that there are still good people in the world, people who like to change bad people into good ones. Then with the silver coins, he sold the coins, he got some money and he started his business. Then he led a good life and people also started respecting him. So we see two stories here, one in the reader, one in the companion book, that how if we are good to somebody, anybody can turn good. If we are kind, people can turn good. But if we shout, if we scold, if we slap them, beat them, thrash them, then nobody will turn good. So never get annoyed. Be good to everybody. Be kind. Now here's another chota-sa story that we have to write. Welcome. This guard है ना ये hotel का. Welcome to Hotel Seaview, sir. Our luggage is in the car. Please get it. The doorman. Oh gosh, I need a trolley. So here we have, I've named this person Mr. Seth. लग रहा ना सेठ जैसा. So I call him Mr. Seth. Mr. Seth and his daughter had gone to some seashore के पास, and the hotel name was Hotel Seaview. The doorman welcomed them. When they came down from the car, the doorman welcomed them and said, "Welcome to Hotel Seaview, sir." "Oh, our luggage is in the car. Please get it." Mr. Seth told the doorman to get the luggage. And because his daughter loved being on the seashore and loved playing around and all, so they had come for a weekend. Remember? Weekend, yeah. They had come for a weekend. And when the doorman went to the car and he opened the trunk of it, oh my God, can you see? It's full of things. So much for one weekend, for 2 days. And the guy said, "My God, I have to need a trolley to get all the luggage inside." He said, "Gosh, I'll need a trolley. I cannot take it on foot." So this is a small story I've sent you in the worksheet. Write it neatly. Next page, you have a lot of space, page 28. Do it and enjoy your weekend. Even I'm giving you a weekend, Anna. Okay. Bye.